Okay, in this lecture, we will study the numerical of SFD and BMD. SFD मतलब shear force diagram and BMD means bending moment diagram. The case first we take a cantilever beam with a point load W at its free hand, length of beam small l, draw shear force and bending moment diagram. In this figure, we can see that a beam is cantilever and the force or weight W acting at a point A. So now the reaction at point B, that is RV equal to W, right? And we can say that X is less than equal to L and is greater than equal to 0, 4.A to B. Now first we calculate shear force at point X, that is minus W, because that is act in the upward direction and W is the acting on downward direction. Now we calculate point B. Point B, the length of the beam is L, so X equal to L. So the force is minus W and we can draw this for this diagram according this. Point A minus W and point B is also minus W. Now we calculate bending moment, right? The bending moment B to A. Bending moment is weight into perpendicular distance, that is X. So the point X, the bending moment is minus W into X, and point B for bending moment is X equal to 0, right? Because we assume the bending moment with respect to point A, so the distance is from point A equal to 0. So the bending moment is B to A is 0, right? And bending moment for B, that is length is L, so the bending moment is minus W into L. And we can draw this diagram for this type, point A and point B. Point A, the bending moment is 0, so, and point B, the bending moment is minus W into L. So we can draw the diagram for this type. Now we assume the second case is a cantilever beam with uniformly distributed load W kilonewton per meter at center, length beam is L, draw shear force and bending moment diagram. So this is shown is uniformly distributed load and the length of this small l, this is the point A, this is the point B, and W is the load acting on this beam. So first of all, shear force diagram is this type. Shear force is minus W into X and X equal to 0. The load is 0 and for point A, X into L, same to same. Minus W into L. This is the shear force diagram. And now we calculate bending moment from B to A. So bending moment is load into perpendicular distance, because here the uniformly load is distributed, so this is the acting on the center, so the distance of this load is x by 2, so the bending moment is minus wx into x by 2, that is minus wx square by 2, right? So the bending moment is for x equal to L, minus WL square upon 2, right? And for point B, the bending moment is also 0. So we can draw this diagram this type. Point P, the bending moment is 0, and point A, that is minus W L square upon 2, right? Thank you.